Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my November favorites. So in October I did a fall favorites. So I've accumulated some more products, I have a lot of goodies, and I have a lot of songs. Now I don't have my speaker with me because I'm obviously not home, I'm in a hotel. So we're kind of just, doing an impromptu video right now. I have my whole setup. I wish you guys could see the tripod setup right now. I literally have like tissue box on top of another box. I'm just trying to make it work, and I hope you guys don't mind the background and the lighting. So the first item that I want to talk about is a concealer, and this is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. Now I can't find the Power Play foundation. I remember trying it out and loving it, but I do have the concealers. I have two shades here, G Medium 1, G Plus Medium 2. Now sometimes I'll use both, sometimes I'll just use Medium 1, but what I love about this concealer is that a little bit goes such a long way. I love the applicator on it. It's this like little circle, and you literally need the tiniest amount. It's crazy how far like a couple of dots will go with this concealer. So of course I love that it's full coverage. I love how smooth it makes my under eye look. You guys have been noticing that my skin has been looking better, and my foundation and just like my whole like face routine has been looking better, and I feel like this has a lot to do with it. So I'll put this under my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead. I do use a different concealer down my nose. I use the NARS Radiant Creamy, but I love how full coverage this is. I would say it has as much coverage as the Tarte Shape Tape. Now I do want to mention a new shade that I have for Tarte Shape Tape. I've been using light medium sand. So today, for instance, I used this, the Tarte Shape Tape first, and then I put the Cover FX on top. What I love about the Cover FX Power Play, especially the G line and the G Plus line, is that it's warm, and you guys know I love like olive undertones, yellow undertones. They really flatter my skin tone. So I really love this concealer for just like that added extra boost. Like you guys know I'm extra. Like Tarte Shape Tape on its own is enough, but I really like that full coverage under eye look. So I'll go ahead and layer this on top. I know that sounds crazy, but it's been working for me, and I really have been enjoying it. And then I do set my under eye with Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then I'll go in with MAC Studio Fix powder. I've been using C3 under my eyes just to give it that extra pop. And for foundation, I've been going back to an oldie but a goodie. This has been like a ride or die for me for so many years. Estee Lauder Double Wear, I don't have to look at it. It's Rattan. I love this shade. It's nice and yellow. Full coverage, doesn't break me out. It's so important for me. Like I just feel like I should just stick to this because I know it works for me. I don't know why I stopped using it. I just kind of get in the mix of like all these new foundations, but this just does me no wrong. Like I have it on now, and it just stays on all day. It looks flawless. It looks good in pictures. If I'm going out at night, I'll go a little bit darker, so I'll use Cashew because it can have a little bit of flashback. It just makes your skin look a little whiter. It's not like a super ghostly cast, but it will kind of flashback a bit. So I'll just go darker, or I'll really make sure that I cream contour. But Rattan is my perfect shade right now, and I love this stuff, and I always have, and I always will. Next up, I want to mention a bronzer that I cannot stop using. If I don't use this in my routine, I feel like my makeup doesn't come out the same. Like I just don't feel my best, which is crazy. I'm so addicted to this. This is the KKW Powder Contour and Highlight Kit. It's the medium one, and I pretty much only use this left shade right here. It's this like really warm brown. It's just like the bronzer of my dreams. It's not as orange as Give Me Sun by MAC, which for me right now, I'm pretty fair, so it works perfectly for me. I will use this one just a little bit, like to contour. I don't really use the highlights. Now, what really bugs me though about this is that in the back, it says that this bronzer shade is called Contour 1, but when you go and try to buy this individual, because now they have them as individuals, you try to buy it just alone, they don't have a Contour 1. So I'm trying to figure out what color this is. I'm literally about to buy 2 or 3 and just kind of like figure it out because I love this shade. It blends out so nicely on the cheeks. Like it just looks so flawless and bronzy and warm, but not too warm. It's perfection. I would literally go and buy this whole contour kit again just for that shade, which is crazy, but I really do love it that much. I take my bronzer very seriously. And then I have 2 eyeshadow palettes to talk about. They're like on opposite sides of the spectrum for price. So let's talk about this one first. This is the ColourPop and Shayla collaboration, the Perception palette. I love this. I mean, I've literally beat mine up. It's broken and all that. I don't care. I've been traveling with it. I really love the shade Culture. It's like just like my everyday crease shade, or when I do wear makeup. Unbothered as an inner corner highlight is beautiful. You have a really nice gold in here. I love this orange shade too. It's called Thick. I mean, I really love the mattes and the shimmers I do use. Now on myself, I really haven't been using shimmer eyeshadows just because they do irritate me, and I have eyelash extensions, so it's not really good to use shimmers on your eyes. But in general, I don't know why shimmers have been irritating my eyes. This is also a great freelancing palette because you just have a little bit of everything. And then here I have the Natasha Denona Safari palette. Now I know this got really mixed reviews. Like, I've watched some videos on this saying it was so bad. I don't know, for me, I've had a really good experience with it. This palette is so gorgeous. It's literally all matte, which I don't mind. I love matte shades. I was wearing this palette in that purple look that I had in my vlog. I was wearing Lotus and Masai in my crease, and it looked amazing. I really liked how my makeup came out that day. But on an everyday basis, I like using this shade, which is just kind of like a cream shade, but it has a little bit more of a yellow undertone. I love Desert Date. It's a really nice warm orange. I love Thorn. I mean, I love this one too. Tamarind. I love all of them. Like, all of the browns in here I'm obsessed with. I use this also like as my liner. Today I have the brown, the dark brown, as kind of like a faux liner. You know, if you like matte shadows, I think this is so worth it because you can literally just use this palette. Like, I just kind of enjoy matte looks now. Sometimes glittery eyeshadows or shimmery eyeshadows just look like too going out, and I'm more of like a casual makeup wearer. I love that you get like greens and blues and cool tones and warm tones. I love it, and it has a nice big mirror. It is expensive, but I've been using it pretty much every day, so I feel like it's worth it. So that is from Natasha Denona. Next up, I want to talk about a blush that I've been loving, and this is from the drugstore. This is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush. This one in particular is in the shade Charming. I love that this shade is not peach, it's not pink. It's like a bronzy blush, and I love that, especially for this weather. And I don't know, I just, in the winter, I just gravitate towards these kinds of colors, either berries or something like this. This color does have a little bit of like shimmer, but it doesn't really show up. I just love that it's like an apricot-y, bronzy, warm shade. I love how it just makes my cheeks look flushed, and it smells really good, and it's inexpensive, so you really can't go wrong. I do love all of these shades from this line, but this one is my favorite. Again, it's called 193 Charming. If you happen to see this, definitely pick it up and give it a try. It's inexpensive, so I feel like you can't go wrong. And now we're going to talk about two highlights that I've been loving, and the two highlights that I have on right now. So the first one, I've mentioned this before, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold palette. This makes your skin look so dewy and wet, and it doesn't look chunky, doesn't emphasize texture. I love this little palette. I've always wanted to get just the Bar of Gold, just the one single, but I love that you get all three, and I love that Charlotte Tilbury is now at Sephora. That makes me so happy. And then this is a newer highlight to my collection, but I'm in love with it. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Luxe Luminizer in Hot Damn. This is my favorite shade from the line now that I've tested them all out. I am obsessed with this as a highlight topper. This is like no joke. Like, if you want a blind, then this is it, because a little of this goes a very long way. You don't need a lot. Definitely want to tap off, but you just go ahead and just boost any highlight with this one. Ooh. Like, if you really want to blind your haters, this is it. This is the one, sis. I personally don't mind layering highlights. I prefer that one on top of another highlight. This is the lightest out of the 4 shades, so this one works for me. They do have like a goldy bronzy one. Like, they have 4 different beautiful shades. One's more rose gold. This one is my favorite, and again, it's called Hot Damn. Next up, let's talk about some lips. The lipstick that I've been wearing pretty much under any lip gloss, it's either NYX London, or I've been using this Classic K by KKW. I'm obsessed with this. I'm almost running out. I do have to buy another one. It's perfect. It goes with everything. I can just throw it on with my eyes closed. I love that I can throw on any lip liner with this lipstick, whether it's matte cork, like right now I have on a Makeup Forever lip liner. I think it's called Rosewood, but I can just throw this on. It's creamy. It's not matte. It's more of like a satin creamy lipstick. It's moisturizing. It doesn't cake up on my lips. It never makes my lips look dry or weird or flaky, because obviously it's not matte. And then I have these 2 glosses from Morphe. Do not sleep on these Morphe lip glosses. There's one more that I don't have that I really want. I forgot the name of it, but it's a little bit deeper. So I have the shade Boho, which is more of like a pinky nude, and these are super shiny, and for the price you really can't go wrong. I think I paid $6 each for these, which is a steal, but they're just so pigmented and so incredibly shiny. I have on both right now. I like the applicator. Again, super inexpensive, and you guys know I love nudes, and I'm telling you guys, if you like any of my recommendations, you will love these shades. Of course, I'll have them listed down below. Next, I'm going to talk about the shampoo and conditioner that I am obsessed with. I don't think I ever want to switch. I know I do switch up my shampoo and conditioner all the time, but I haven't been this excited about a shampoo and conditioner in so long. So the shampoo and conditioner from the brand Kenra, which I'm obsessed with. I love going to Ulta and just looking at the Kenra section, like the blow dry spray from them, absolute fave. So this is the Detox and Deflect shampoo and conditioner, and it says safe for color, daily clarifier and protector. And I was looking online, like on from the Ulta website, like what this is good for, and pretty much it was saying it's good for like oily roots. Like, you know, this is a good clarifying shampoo, but it's not going to strip your hairs. It's not going to make it look dry. I'm obsessed with the scent. It has a masculine scent, which I don't mind. I know a lot of reviews are saying they didn't like the scent. I don't mind it. I think it smells really good and clean and masculine. You guys have been noticing that my hair has been looking different lately, and I feel like it's because of this. Also because I've been getting blowouts instead of like actually doing my hair myself. Today I did my hair myself. I just straightened it quickly. I do have a keratin treatment in my hair, which helps with the shine and the sleekness and the overall appearance of my hair. It really like seals that cuticle. I'll have the information down below where I get my hair cut, hair dye, and hair keratin, because I have like one salon that I go to now for that. But yeah, this set of shampoo and conditioner has been my life. Like, I'm actually running low, and I just picked this up last month, so that says a lot. I feel like it is pricey for what you get, like the amount that you get, but honestly I don't care. I'm gonna run out and buy another one of these as soon as I run out, because is that real? I take my hair care game very seriously, so I don't care how much the shampoo will cost. If it can make my hair smell good, because that's really important for me, and just be easy to maintain, like I don't have to like do so much to style it, then I'm sold. This next product is kind of random, but I have lash extensions now, and I'm obsessed with the ones that I have. I've been getting them in face and body here in New York, so it was important for me to get a good lash cleaner, so I got this one on Amazon. I haven't really tried any others to compare it to, but I really have been enjoying it. It's called LashFresh, and it's the Eye and Lash Foaming Clean Wash. It's organic and 100% natural. It's just a foam that you put on your lash extensions, and then you just go ahead and spoolie it out, and it just cleans them up, fluffs them up, you know, prevents like eye infections and weird goo and stuff that can happen to your eyes when you get lash extensions. And because I have sensitive eyes, it's important for me to keep that area very clean, and this just works wonders. And then this is random, but this is a body wash that I've been using, and this is the Philosophy Apple Cider. Honestly, I didn't think I would like apple cider scent. Like, I'm not really into kind of like fall scents like that, but this smells so good. It's more of like a clean apple cider smell. Kind of smells like a Bath and Body Works candle. I really like it. I've been using it quite a lot since I got it, and it's a small little bottle, so it's perfect for travel. I'm pretty sure this one's limited edition or like seasonal, so if you happen to come across it, definitely smell it and let me know what you think. And then speaking of scents, I have 3 perfumes to share with you. This first one is Armani C Passione. I'm so addicted to this scent. It reminds me of Dubai now, because in Dubai I didn't have any perfume with me but the travel spray of this, and I actually went through the whole thing that trip. I get complimented on it from girls and guys, and it smells like what I want to smell like a shower, like clean, soapy, but fruity and girly. I feel like if you want to know what rose smells like, it's pretty much this. But I have also been enjoying this scent. It's a lot sweeter. This is the YSL Black Opium. This is just like an edible, delicious, sweet treat. If I want to smell very, very yummy, it's this one, YSL. Like, this is perfect date night perfume for sure. And then this last one I've been abusing too. This is actually from the brand Fresh. I didn't think I was gonna fall in love with this as much as I have. Like, every time I wear this, I'm intoxicated by it. Like, I want to just bathe in it. So it's called Rose Morning, and they do have other scents, but this is my favorite. I do like, I think it's called Santal. I'm not really into rose scents, to be honest, ironically, even though my name is Rose, but this is rose done right. If you like floral scents, you have to smell this. If you don't like floral scents, you still have to smell this, because it just smells like a garden. Like, I just picture like this white rose garden, and it's just so peaceful. I feel like I'm just like running through this like garden of roses with a white dress. It's that like peaceful and sensual and yummy. My mom, who does not like floral scents, always compliments me on this. I literally spray it all over myself. I wear it to bed, I wear it in the daytime. I love this. I love this so much. I need to get another one because it's that real for me. So again, if you happen to come across this, smell it. I promise. Well, I don't know. I would hope that you would like it. If you like my perfume recommendations, you will like this one. And this is super random, but I've been loving this mirror from Amazon. Mine is super dirty. I don't even want to show you. Pretty much it's a light up mirror that has a stand, so you can literally like prop it up anywhere. And what I love about this is that in the back it has this power button, so you could either use the USB cord that it comes with, or you can pop in some batteries, but it lights up. This has been saving my life on my trips to New York, because I don't carry a ring light with me all the time, so I need like an LED light up close to do my makeup. Like, I'm so used to using that because sometimes you don't get good daylight in New York, so this just is perfect for travel. I'm obsessed with it. Of course, I'll have a link down below. I'm gonna be doing an Amazon favorites video very soon, because I've found some bomb gems on Amazon, just like things that I feel like I can't live without now. So I'll have that link down below, and I'll have that Amazon video for you guys up shortly. But those are all the products products that I have for today. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into music. Now I've been getting like copyright strikes on my favorites videos because of the music, so I'm gonna try to keep it shorter. I can't make any promises. Honestly, I don't even care because I just get into these songs. First of all, Tory Lanez is my all right now. Like, you can literally play his newest album over and over and I'm not tired of it yet. Some of these songs are older because I've been adding to the same playlist. Since I haven't done a favorites video, I feel like in forever. Just because it's an older song doesn't mean it can't be my favorite. Sometimes I get comments like that, like, oh, that's not new, but I still enjoy it. I still like it. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Yo sé, no se me olvide esa noche en Ibiza. Porque amiguita tú me tienes como Alejandro Sanz. Da pruebas si tú no eres mía. Y solo por un beso yo mismo me someto a preso y luego botaré la llave. No se me olvide esa noche en Ibiza. Flamenco y tu sonrisa, yeah.
Todos están pendientes a ti. De cualquiera y todos te quieren probar. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía. Tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía. Tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Y cuando te vi, supe que no era para mí.
Cuando te besé,
ven conmigo, deja el miedo un ratito pa' bailar. Ay, Dios mío, qué talento eso.
báilame como si fuera la última vez. Y en sexo a besito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. Oh, 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 oh. Ay, Dios, ay, Dios. Báilame como si fuera la última vez. Y eso, bebé. Taqui, 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 taqui.
Hey, he said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date there at the Lamborghini store. I'm a boss bitch, who you gonna leave me for? Got no peace.
Estamos bien, yeah. Todo lo mío está bien, estamos bien. El dinero me llueve. Yo te conozco, lo veo en tu cara. No te comportes conmigo, puedes ser mala. Si te soltarás antes que desabroche el cinturón.
Te bebé porque hoy yo quiero comerte toda, toda. Yo te mojo toda, bebé.
Que tú eres para mí, que yo soy para ti. Si tú quieres comerme todo, el menos siempre que tú me besas todo. Quédate conmigo y piche aliado. Como yo ninguna, yo le gano a todo. Ven, cómeme.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. When it's here, we know you don't know nothing else. I tried to show 'em. I tried to show 'em. Yeah, sicko mode.
So I don't go shoot me with you.
So those were all of my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.